So guys, in this video we will see how to download document from Scribd for free legal. So guys, for download the document free legal from the Scribd, for this first of all visit the official website. In your web, click the option of sign in and sign up and choose the create an account using Google, Facebook or email and complete the registration process with your credentials. Verify your email address if prompted by the subscript. Okay, after that guys, activating your free trial. So guys, the free trial is the most straightforward way to download the document without the direct payment. Locate the document you wish to download and click the start your free 30 days trial button. Enter your payment information, confirm your trial activation and download your desired document during the trial period. Set reminder to cancel the subscription before the trial end and cancel your subscription through account setting if you don't wish to continue. Earning credits by uploading documents. Click the option of upload button typically found in the top navigation. Read and agree to Scribd term and condition for upload. Select the document from your computer to upload and ensure the document are original and copyright free or publicly available. Add relevant details and describe any tag for discoverability. Publish your document to Scribd library. Wait for Scribd to process your upload and award download credits. Use earn credits to download other documents to free. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.